Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're new here, if you're not new, then welcome back. It's been a while. I know, but I'm loving this hairstyle right now, so I just wanted to share that with you ladies. As you can see, it's going to be a crochet hairstyle, and I'm starting out with lines that are sketchy. They are really sketchy, but I just needed something to put the crochet hair on, and the crochet hair is from Toyotress. I'm going to leave the link down below, and there's also a discount code to get 20% off if you buy from their website. You can also buy it from Amazon, and all that information is going to be linked down below. This is not the first time I've tried their hair. I've tried their hair several times, and I actually tried the same hairstyle in a different color. I think it's like a burgundy color or something like that. I'm going to leave it linked down below so you can check that out if you wanted to see like the different color options that they have. But on their website you can also see like different people wearing the hair, and they're wearing different colors, and that might help you decide what you want. As you can see, the curl is beautiful, the hair is beautiful, super easy to install. In fact, I almost installed everything without doing it on camera, basically. So as you can see, I actually basically sat in front of my TV and I started installing it. My plan was to show you ladies, but then before I even knew it, I think about half an hour later, I was like, oh, this was installed, and I only had 2 packs left. At that time, when I realized that, I actually had an emergency and I had to leave the house, and now I'm back in the house, so my makeup is tired. I'm tired, but I really want to finish this video just because it was on my list of to-do things today, so I want to finish that and just share that with you ladies. As you can see, it's super easy to install. If you've done any crochet before, then this is basically the same thing. It's easy. I found that the easiest way to install, especially hair that has, you know, like the little extra hairs hanging on the side, it's usually to basically just, you know, do the crochet like so. So basically just do the crochet, and then you see the inside the crochet in the crochet hair, and then you just pull it a little bit, and then as you can see, I just take the tail and I make sure that I'm pulling all the hairs together so that when I pull them through the eye, like there's no little hair left behind from entering the eye. That is so easy to install. So as you can see, actually I usually like to install basically sort of like all over my head first, and then I like to leave the little, or at least 1 or 2 packs for the end, so that I can go in and fill in the areas where I want the hair to be fuller. Most of the time it's usually the front part of my head. I usually find that when I install a lot of hair in the back, first of all, it's too heavy. Second, it looks too full in the back. Third, if you don't have a lot of hair, then you end up having like a full back, but then the front doesn't look as full, and I prefer putting more hair in the front. For me, I feel like that works the best. I feel like it looks better. So yeah, so that's what I normally do. So I mean, I've basically been wearing crochet hairstyles for some time now. Someone asked me why I'm not uploading videos, and I don't know. I don't remember her name, but I know someone asked me, and my answer was really that I'm wearing a lot of crochet hairstyles, and I don't know if everyone wants to see that, but that's really all I've been living in, protective hairstyles. I haven't felt like styling my hair that much. That's why I'm basically just throwing in some crochet hair. I'm currently like packing my stuff. I'm moving. Maybe the new place will inspire me to, like, you know, get back into filming and all that stuff, because I have a huge room for filming in that new place. So maybe, you know, there'll be new videos coming up soon. I hope. Honestly, I really want to get back into doing this. I miss it. I miss you ladies. I miss YouTube. Like, I literally miss making videos and editing. So I'm hoping that I will be back as soon as I finish moving. So I'm moving on April 15. And then, yeah, well, I will update you on what is going on. But as you can see, installing the hair is super easy. And you see, when you focus on the front and you pack the hair at the front, it starts looking better. If you watch how, like, at the beginning, what it looked like versus what it looks like right now, it's looking so much better. So I went in and also added hair to the back as well. My house was hot, so I added hair to the back as well, just to, I guess, you know, when I feel with my fingers, it feels like it's not full, but now that I'm looking at the video right now, it looks like I had enough hair there. But you know, you do what you got to do. Please ignore the wall. I actually need to paint it now that I see it like that. Oh my god, moving can be annoying. Moving is annoying in general. There's so many things to do, but I am really excited to be moving to the new place, so I can't wait. It needs renos and stuff, so I'll probably share that journey with you, maybe, but we'll see. But this is what the hair looks like. I absolutely love it. I love the black, but I absolutely love the red as well that I did, or burgundy. I thought that looked really beautiful on me, but I've always loved black hair as well, and it just looks beautiful and nice. It's super easy to style in different hairstyles, but most of the time I find that I'm wearing it like either in the middle part, or like I'm actually holding it like this, like in a more neat way. I wasn't going to lay my edges just because I was actually literally supposed to be going to bed right after. I just wanted to make sure that I finished the video and I finished installing this hair before the next day, so that I can go to bed in peace and actually relax instead of dreaming about doing the hair tomorrow. As you can see, it's beautiful, so beautiful and super full, and your girl is feeling herself. But yeah, don't forget, like, the hair is from Toyotress. The discount is down below. If you want to get 20% off, then buy it from their website. But if you have Amazon Prime and you'd rather buy it from Amazon, the link on Amazon is also going to be down below. But that's it for the video, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've been doing well. I will see you next time. Have a lovely weekend. Bye, ladies.